Working from home is more like gaming from home, right? Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and in today's video we will be taking a look at the new BOAT Immortal 1000D gaming headphones. Is it good? How do it sound? Well, today's video is all about that. Before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these headphones, you can head to the first link down below in the description. After making thousands of neckband earphones lately, companies are trying their hand at gaming gear. Most of them will repeat the history of making the worst products and some will make it through. So let's see in which basket this product falls. Today we have the Immortal 1000D by BOAT. You guys have been asking to make this video, so here it is. First of all, you know what time it is, a quick unboxing, then it will be followed by the review. So here is the shipping package from Amazon and inside we have the retail box. Let's unbox this. So here it is, looks good, but it looks a bit tampered. I think someone has returned it, not a good sign. Anyways, let's open this and see what we are getting inside. Here is the headphone itself, looking good. I mean, doesn't feel like a cheap pair. Next up we get a detachable mic and last but not the least we get some user manual and paperwork. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Now let's see how well this stands against our expectations. Design and build quality. Starting with the design and build quality, we get two colors to choose from. One is this white and second one if we get the classic black. Both have red accent and thing that needs your attention are these RGB LEDs. It's a nice touch. One thing I don't like that you cannot adjust these lights. You can only turn it on or off. They should give us a way to control the pattern or the brightness of these. They even made an app to use these headphones with, so it wasn't that hard. I don't know why they didn't thought of it. Other than that, I want to say that these are well designed headphones. I mean, these look nice. From far away or while holding in the hand, you won't be able to tell that these cost just 2500 rupees and even the build quality is good. You can easily rely on this thing. Although BOAT doesn't have a good name in build quality, but looking at this specific product, it's looking good. Comfort and fitting. Coming to the most important part of any headphone or earphone, that is comfort and fitting. So talking about that, I want to say that these are very comfortable. When we reviewed the JBL Quantum 100 in the same price segment, those weren't so comfortable, so I wasn't expecting it to be as well. But when I tried these on, it feels very good. I can even use it for 5 to 6 hours straight, no problem. Even the fitting is good, it doesn't fall down easily if you swing your head. One small thing that annoys me sometimes is that the headphones cannot swivel. They move a bit due to manufacturing defect, not as much as I would like them to be. Other than that, 1000D is doing great in the comfort and fitting department. Features. On the features side, there is not much to it. First, I want to mention the most important part for all the gamers. The cable is very long, it's 1.8 meters, so you can lay back and enjoy the game. Second of all, these are USB headphones, so the audio quality is going to be great as they will convert your digital audio to analog audio. But one downside is that you can only use these headphones with the PC. Oh, hey. Peasant shade, editor shade this side. So I just found out a way how to make this headphone work with the phone. So if you have this USB OTG that can connect the USB to your phone, then these headphones would work. Yeah, so ignore all the part that I'm about to say. Which is a huge deal for me. Someone who loves playing games on their PC are most likely to enjoy gaming on their smartphone as well. So for me, I have to buy two separate headphones, or I will rather buy the headphone Quantum 100 by JBL to use it for both of my devices. So there is a flaw there. Next feature we have is the 7.1 surround sound. So we should be getting an immersive gaming experience, but we will discuss that when we will talk about the sound quality specifically. For now, I want to say that there is also an app for the BOAT that you need to download for the 7.1 surround sound to work. First, I thought there would be a lot of control in the app, but after downloading it, I realized that it's useless. Just look at this. There are 3 different sliders to adjust the same volume. Anyways, let's talk about the mic. On Immortal 1000D, we get a chunky inline controller that control volume, turn the RGB LEDs on or off, mic mute and the volume mute button. We also get detachable mic which has denoising function. But how well does it work? Let's find out. So this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the BOAT Immortal 1000D. Sound quality. Moving to another crucial part of any audio device, the sound quality. So for the driver we get 50mm driver which produces phenomenal sound quality. I am impressed by these. Unlike the JBL Quantum 100 where you have a sharp sound and no bass at all, these have all the ingredients, bass, mids and highs. By looking at the price tag, it's really hard to believe. The clarity is good and they are pretty loud. Other than that, we have 7.1 surround sound which is there, but I would say that you should ignore this marketing term. All I want you to know is that you will be easily able to identify where the sound is coming from. Now, it's not just the games. I definitely enjoy listening music and watching movies as well. So overall, I want to say that these headphones sound amazing. Price. Now talking about the price, we are looking at 2500 rupees of price tag, and if you ask me, I will say it's a good pair of headphones in this price range. Up until now I was recommending the JBL Quantum 100, although they were not the best, but the reason is that there were no other options. But now it looks like we have a new winner. As mentioned, the only drawback is that it is limited to PC and laptops only. Other than that, it's a good pair. Well, that was it for today. Which one would you pick? Well, let me know in the comments down below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.